what do we know about stem cells and where they're concentrated? Well, the place in the body where there's the greatest amount of stem cells is the bone marrow. There's two types of stem cells in the marrow. Again, they're adult stem cells. Remember, at the point of the trilaminar disc, every stem cell in the body thereafter, whether you're an embryo or a fetus, is going to be an adult stem cell. So we're born, obviously, with adult stem cells. Now, adult stem cells are much more differentiated cells. They will not form teratoma. They can only form cells from the derived trilaminar original layer they came from. Okay, that's the trick. So in this case, it's connective tissue. These are mesodermally derived cells. So on the one hand, you have the hematopoietic stem cell, the mother cell that makes every blood cell in the body. And that's what we transplant when we do a bone marrow transplant, otherwise known as hematopoietic stem cell transplant. And the other stem cell that resides in the marrow is this cell called the mesenchymal stem cell. This is actually a much more interesting cell. I'll tell you more about this in a moment, but I need to tell you that we can grab these cells because we have a marker for that cell, and so we can pull that cell using that marker and identify it. This cell doesn't have a marker, and this cell is very, very rare in the marrow, but we have the advantage that we can put the cells in plastic culture and the cells expand. So we can get bucket loads of these cells in time and culture that we can't with these cells. But this is the cell I'll transplant in a bone marrow transplant. Now this is really important because what I'm trying to share with you right now is inside of you is a fountain of youth. Inside of your marrow at all times is your fountain of youth.